Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from Honor in India, the Honor 8C. So Honor 8C is the world's first Snapdragon 632 powered device, and the Snapdragon 632 is a recently announced chipset, and this is an upgraded variant of the Snapdragon 625 and 626. So we're going to do the unboxing of this device. So this device will go on sale later this month. The official launch is on 29th of this month, and this is the Honor 8C we have. So it comes in two colors, the blue variant as well as the black variant. So we got the blue variant with us, so we're going to do the unboxing. We'll show you the device, we'll talk about the specifications, we'll also show you some camera samples. So let's first have a look at the specification. So this comes with the Snapdragon 632 octa-core chipset. It's clocked at 1.8 GHz, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So there will be three variants: 332, 432 and 464. Those are the three variants. HD plus resolution display, 13 plus 2 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, supports dual VoLTE, fingerprint sensor, 4000 mAh capacity battery as well. So it has a really good battery capacity. So the high capacity battery should last for almost like 2 days. So that's the device. So we're not really sure about the pricing as of now, so it will be really competitively priced, considering the competition is really tough right now in the sub 15K price segment. So that's the Honor 8C. So let's get started with unboxing. So let's open the box pack. There you go. Now let's take the device out. So as I said before, we have the blue variant of the device. It will also be available in black color. So that's the device. So it looks really nice in terms of the build quality. You can see that it has a curved finish, and this is a matte finish, and we have the dual camera setup, the fingerprint scanner and the AI camera, LED flash and the Honor logo. So that's the device. You can see that it looks really nice. One thing what Honor has told us is that going forward for the next few launches, the design language will be like this one. You can see that horizontal the vertical layout for the camera and the Honor logo. That would be the layout going forward for at least for the next few devices which is launching in India. And this is the Honor 8C. So this is the first smartphone to power with the Snapdragon 632 octa-core chipset, which is really good chipset in the mid-range or the budget segment. So we'll talk about that later. We'll just boot this device. So the device feels really nice in terms of the build quality, the fit and finish, and the blue color gives a really nice feel altogether. Now next, let's see what else comes inside the box. You get the SIM ejector pin, and there is a case included with the box pack, and you also get a screen guard included. That's quite good. You can see this is the TPU case included. Then you get the adapter. So this is the Huawei adapter. It's 5 volt 2 ampere, and you also get the micro USB charging and data syncing cable. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot the device. So that's the Honor 8C. You can see that it comes with 6.26 inches HD plus resolution display. You get the notch as well, and this is 19:9 aspect ratio, and we have the EMUI 8.2 out of the box. So let's go to the system settings. About phone, you can see EMUI version is 8.2 and Android version is 8.1. So this is again powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 632. We have the 4GB RAM, and out of the box you get 54.46 GB storage out of the 64, and the screen resolution is 1520 by 720p, and the Android security patch is from September of 2018. So that's the device. Now looking at the UI, you get the simple mode, the other options like customizing system navigational options. Then smart assistant is also included, one-handed mode. Then we have support for dual apps, and we also get support for themes as well. So all the regular EMUI features are included on this device as well. Now let's have a look at the camera on this device. So the rear camera is a 13 and 2 megapixel camera combination, and this also comes with f-stop 1.8 aperture, and the front camera is an 8 megapixel f2.0 camera. So let's just have a look at the camera interface. So you get the AI mode available, so that's included. Then there is portrait mode, wide aperture mode, video, and other options are also included. So video recording, let's have a look at the options. So you can see that video size is full HD, that's the maximum supported. So that's what the quality of the video is. So let's have a look at some of the samples we have taken with this device. So here are the shots taken with the Honor 8C after unboxing the device. We'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. So all those videos will be coming up on our channel. So, So these are some samples we have taken with the Honor 8C. Now the Honor 8C also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, and the company claims 2-day battery life because it has the Snapdragon 632 and 4000 mAh capacity battery, and it also has an HD plus resolution display. That makes the combination pretty good, and you should be getting almost like 1.5 days of battery life with this device. So that's the highlight of the Honor 8C. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Honor 8C. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. So we'll be having the official pricing on the 29th of November. That's the day when this device will be launching in India. So as I said before, this will launch in 3 variants: 332, 432 and 464 are the 3 variants which are coming, and 2 colors. One will be the blue variant, the other one will be the black variant. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.